In the world of packaging, every detail reflects quality. That's why we've developed superior packaging solutions for liquid products. Our fully automatic Rotary Spout pouch filling and capping machine. Widely applicable for jams, jellies, juices, milk, butter, sauces, ketchup, chocolate spread, chemical liquids, and drinking water, it delivers clean, uniform, and reliable packaging results. The flowing jam is evenly dispensed during filling, creating plump pouches with tight seals that fully preserve the fresh taste. The peanut butter packaging process is equally smooth, with the thick paste evenly dispensed into containers. The screw caps are tightly sealed to ensure both airtightness and convenient use. In prebiotic beverage packaging, automated processes ensure orderly execution at every step, ensuring plump pouches, tightly sealed caps, and a clean appearance that delivers professional quality. Whether for food, nutritional liquids, or specially formulated products, Spout pouch packaging showcases a brand's professionalism and quality, presenting excellent products in an even more outstanding way. Designed for easy opening and portability, blending practicality with aesthetic appeal, this is the new expression of modern liquid packaging. A clean and standardized packaging process not only enhances the product's visual quality, but also demonstrates meticulous attention to every detail. Spout pouch filling and capping machine, ensuring every package is more refined and reliable, delivering superior packaging results.